This is a 2000 model year Lexus RX300. I'm going to show you a quick tip for removing the ball joint. Right here on the knuckle, on the hub, there's a dust shield for the axle, and with this dust shield there's absolutely no way to get onto the 19mm nut that holds the ball joint. So what you must do is bend this out of place, and then once you do that you can put a socket on it like so, and you can unfasten the 19mm castle nut. And then when you're done with replacing the ball joint, you can bend this back into place. This is the brand of ball joint that I've used, 555 or 35, made in Japan. Very high quality item, almost like OEM. Here's a view of the ball joint installed. Here's a view of the castle nut, and the dust shield has been bent back into place right here, so nobody will know anything ever happened. The torque for the castle nut is 91 foot-pounds. The torque for the two nuts and the bolt on the bottom is 94 foot-pounds. In case you are wondering, how do you torque the castle nut to 91 foot-pounds? Here's how. You put a rod through the knuckle, you put a cheater on it, and now you can work the torque wrench and the rod in opposition and get them up to the torque that you need. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.